What is it, Miffy? What can you see?
Look, it snowed last night. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I can build a snow bunny and make snowballs. Hooray! Woohoo!
Hold on, Miffy. You'd better put a coat on and wear a scarf. It's very cold outside.
Oh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Are you hungry? I know. I'll get you some breadcrumbs. Hello. There you are. You're welcome. Ooh. Mummy was right. It is cold. I'm glad I have my coat and scarf. But you must be cold too. Maybe I can get a coat for you.
I don't think birds wear coats. Or scarves either.
Maybe you're right. I know. You can come inside to warm up. Come on, this way. Look. This way. Welcome to my house. Oh! Hey, look out! Oh! No, stay still! No, stop! Wait! Come back! Oh no!
Miffy, what's going on?
Sorry, Mummy. I wanted the bird to be warm because it's so cold outside.
That's very sweet. But birds don't live in houses like ours, so it's scary and confusing for him. Out you go, little bird. Do you understand why I had to let him out again?
Yes, Mummy. I know what I need to do.
What are you doing now, Miffy?
I'm doing what Mummy said.
I don't remember her saying anything about leaves and twigs.
Mummy said birds find houses like ours scary and confusing. I'll make the bird feel at home by turning our house into a nest.
I'm not sure that's what Mummy meant.
Where's the most nesty place to put them? There. Oh, yes. Like that. There.
Oh, Miffy.
Look, Mummy. I'm making the house like a nest, so the bird will feel at home.
Oh, that's not what I meant at all. And now there are leaves and twigs everywhere.
Oh, sorry, Mummy. Maybe if I can't make our house into a bird's home, maybe I can make a bird's home more like our house.
What are you going to do, Miffy?
You'll see. It's a surprise, but I need Boris to help me.
Hello, Miffy.
Hello, Boris. Can you make something for me?
What do you need? A chair? A table? A wooden thing?
Can you make me a...
That's a brilliant idea. Of course I'll help you.
Yes.
A hammer here, a polished air. You need a building, I'm your bear. I love to make things all day long.
And sometimes Boris gets it wrong.
Making things is so much fun.
Come on, Boris, get it done.
Oh.
Can you make me a...
That's a brilliant idea. Of course I'll help you.
Yes.
A hammer here, a polished air. You need a building, I'm your bear. I love to make things all day long.
And sometimes Boris gets it wrong.
Making things is so much fun.
Come on, Boris, get it done.
Oh.
Hello, bird. How do you like your new house?
Ah, so that's what Boris built for you.
Now the bird has a house just like mine. He'll be nice and warm and I can see him every day. Hello. Ha. Come on.